Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses PM Vishwakarma Yojana's anniversary event in Wardha. First Meghalaya Media Meet on the theme Redefining Journalism in the Digital Age, held today at Vivanta. Speaker Thomas Esama has examined the disqualification petition from the State Congress. MLA of Umsning, Dr. Celestine Lingdo, inaugurates Dorbar Hall of Ratnong Sobar. And Office of the Superintendent of Fisheries, Ripoy District hosts stocking program to support local fishermen. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today appealed to artisans to become entrepreneurs and businessmen by taking up the benefits of the PM Vishwakarma scheme. The Prime Minister was addressing a function on the anniversary of PM Vishwakarma Yojana at Swavalambai ground in Wardha. He said that over 6.5 lakh beneficiaries were provided with a modern machinery and toolkits in order to increase the productivity of traditional occupations. He also informed about the benefits of the loan scheme, which provides a loan of 3 lakh rupees.
विश्वकर्मा योजना की मूल भावना है सम्मान, सामर्थ्य और समृद्धि। अब तक 6.5 लाख से ज्यादा विश्वकर्मा बंधुओं को आधुनिक उपकरण भी उपलब्ध कराए गए हैं।
The first Meghalaya Media Meet was organized by the state government today in the city on the theme Redefining Journalism in the Digital Age. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today announced an amount of rupees 1 lakh each for 6 senior journalists who were facilitated today from Chief Minister's special grant. On the occasion, 8 senior journalists from the state were also facilitated. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma called upon the journalists to work on their capabilities and enhance it further with modern know-how and technological advancements. Earlier, Information and Public Relations Minister Dr. Amprin Lingdo said that people have to know the usage of social media.
We recognize the contributions and the work that they have done, the sacrifices they've made, the challenges they've overcome. So I would like to announce that every single senior journalist who has been felicitated today from my Chief Minister's special grant, I will be giving an amount of 1 lakh rupees to each of the senior journalists who are felicitated today from Chief Minister's special grant.
I feel privileged that I was guided by faculty, by colleagues who gave us a strong foundation on how can we use the tool of the media to help community rather than to condemn or to mimic or to make fun of someone in the community.
Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Speaker Thomas A. Sangma has examined the disqualification petitions from the State Congress against the 3 former Congress MLAs. The Speaker, in his opinion, considers the earlier decision as valid, but, however, has referred to the State Advocate General for his opinion. Lone Congress MLA Ronnie V. Lingdo submitted 2 disqualification petitions to Assembly Speaker Thomas A. Sangma and has sought action against Celestine Lingdo, Charles Marngar and Gabriel Walang within 14 days.
I have examined it and I found it whatever decision was made from the Speaker's office. I still consider it very valid. So, but still then, I am, as I already told you, that I am referring it to the opinion of the Advocate General of Meghalaya State. That Speaker's office cannot take a decision on that. Speaker's office is only concerned about the knowledge that they are still the members of the Congress Legislature Party.
Dr. Celestine Lingdo, local MLA of Umsting constituency, inaugurated the Dorbar Hall of Rat Nong Sobar in a ceremony attended by the traditional chief of Rat Maurho, SE, along with Herlin Lingdo, headmen and local residents of the Umkado village. The Dorbar Hall, constructed under the SRWP scheme, was built at an estimated cost of rupees 9.5 lakhs. And during the inauguration, Dr. Lingdo emphasized the importance of utilizing the Dorbar Hall effectively for the benefit of the residents of Ratnam Sabar.
Kani ka building ka ngila IT sa karay menta kasngi kanlong ka jaka ko ba habadon ka jinge surut ka wege shnong hang ne ka de ka office ka ba pipen yesu molen no laladon ka jinge tampun kane ka de ka office ka ba ong ngien ngiapen be da ka jinge e bat ka jinge sotu.
As many as 20 acting members on Friday took part in the Children's Parliament held at Auxilium Girls High Secondary School, Nongthamai. This platform allows students to lead, helping them build confidence, improve public speaking skills, and foster a sense of responsibility. The Children's Parliament Club recreated the workings of an actual parliament, adding a touch of humour.
There is a progress in the who even made you the finance minister. People are supporting them. And what are the results of that? We haven't seen.
A public meeting cum peace rally was held yesterday in Ampati, organized by Garo Students Union, Western Zone, under the leadership of its president Megadith M. Marak. The event, supported by various local NGOs, to demand justice for the victims of two brutal rape cases that have shaken the region. The rally called for swift action in the Chenga Benga Mela gang rape case of April 16th and the Garo Badha rape case. They have demanded immediate arrest of the accused in both cases. Khasi musical group So Sing was adjudged as the winner of the first ever singing competition on the different dialect of Hinyo Threp indigenous community organized by the Macha Prang. The contest also witnesses the participation of two individual contestants. The contest was judged by Padma Shri awardee Selby Pasa and noted musician Pranay Marbanyang. The distribution ceremony was held at the community hall of the mission compound at the presence of Shillong Rajya Sabha MP Dr. Wanway Roy Karluki, local MLA Adelbert Nongrum, and Macha Prang convener Michaels Im. Rajya Sabha MP handed over the cash prize of rupees 40,000 along with the certificate to the winner.
Lago ya Nongrim was camp, but Hadovanta. If you study your family, John, come down with why the Sankung in Wadon, but me belong to stand, but they belong to stay. There comes scam the family. Give you the men, John, you will start them. Then you bet, you will start one separate, but the Gia community. But in the butt, you can a, give you the men, John, you will start. That's right, and long with that, but you will me.
The annual convocation of Martin Luther Christian University was held at the Larity International Center for Performing Arts and Culture. There are 1,044 scholars who received degrees and diplomas, 20 received PhD degrees. Father Stephen Mavely, former Vice-Chancellor of Assam Don Bosco University, was the convocation speaker. In his address, he reminded the graduates that every time they encounter an obstacle, it is a test to see how firm their foundation is. The day concluded with Aurora Borealis, a musical event that featured the bands Kudor Maju, Amalgam, Influx and Ras Johanan. The Office of the Superintendent of Fisheries, Riphoi District, organized a fingerling stocking and community awareness program today at Maulandep village as part of the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana for 2023-24. Abhilash Baranwal, Deputy Commissioner of Riphoi District, attended the event as the chief guest alongside IT Maulong, Director and Joint Secretary in charge of the Fisheries Department. A total of 4 lakh fish seeds were released into the Umya. In his address, Baranwal emphasized the initiative's broader impact, stating that they are not only targeting a substantial annual income of rupees 6 lakhs for the 150 fishing families dependent on the reservoir, but they are also committed to developing a sustainable ecosystem.
Not only we are targeting a substantial income of rupees 6 lakh per annum for the 150 fishermen families which are dependent on this reservoir, but simultaneously, as I was going through a discussion, an entire ecosystem is going to be developed in this area for the benefit of these four villages which are directly dependent and the 11 villages which are in the vicinity, which will take care of the entire end-to-end solution for the fisheries.
The Lower Mangkara Secondary School, Risiang, on the West Khasi Hills district, today organized a program at the school premises to show the happiness and to encourage Donald Mirthong, who have been selected to undergo training at one of the best academies in the country, the Minerva Academy Football Club in Punjab. Teachers and students of the school attended the program, and in his speeches, Headmaster Ronaldo Yauren has encouraged other students to work hard in their talent, be it in football or any other like Donald Mirthong, so that they will be able to achieve the goal.
Om tang lagi tinggal lagi sport, lagi kam sport rei. Kadai ru kam boleh putih. Nomor bahangnya mentang lagi don kita hikai, kita bami dengan ni school, kita layak kam surkar, kita bami dengan ni school, kita layak kam polis, ladon jen arnyut. Kita kata kadai kita kita hikai kita pun rei polis ru kita don. Ingis kam menginui kita ki I AS dan ki IPS di ban salong. Kita ki nong sensyar ya ka ri berkejat bener li berkawai. Thì ngắm hết và cái này cái gần cột hàng này này lên ba cái chính trace tom trong cái này cái bắt cái này school và cái này cái irat na kapor.
Here's a look at the weather report. Minimum temperature recorded was 18.4 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature recorded was 29 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 52% and relative humidity in the evening was 72%. The forecast, light to moderate rainfall and thunder showers very likely to occur at few places. Before we wrap up, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses PM Vishwakarma Yojana anniversary event in Wardha. First Meghalaya Media Meet on the theme Redefining Journalism in the Digital Age, held today at Vivanta. Speaker Thomas A. Sangma has examined the disqualification petitions from the State Congress. MLA of Umsning Dr. Celestine Lengdo inaugurates Dorbar Hall of Raj Nong Sobar. And Office of the Superintendent of Fisheries, Riphoi District, hosts stocking program to support local fishermen. Well, viewers, that's all we have for you today. Join us for another edition tomorrow. Thank you and good night.